Hello friends, this is KP and I welcome everybody to this channel. So today I am with this video to announce something exciting. So if you are from IT background, you already know what is cloud computing, and if you are from non-IT background and now due to maybe pandemic situation or maybe some for any reason now you want to switch your career to IT background, so cloud computing is a booming area. You can start with it. And if you concentrate on cloud computing mainly, so AWS is the king, isn't it? So if you don't know, you can go and search. So what's the purpose of this video? So AWS has come up with one great announcement in their official site. What is AWS? If you don't know, AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It provides many services starting from computing, storage, security, big data, blockchain, quantum computing, game development, etc. So AWS has come up with one great announcement, that is, so if you go for any global certification from AWS itself, so AWS certified solution architect in the associate level comes first. So if you find the amount of this certification, it will cost you around 150 US dollars, which is in Indian currency you may find around 10 to 11,000. So officially Amazon has announced this challenge. So if you join this challenge, you can see get AWS certified solution architect. This is the challenge. They are saying that if you just participate this challenge and whatever criteria they have written, if you fulfill all those, you will get 50% discount voucher for this exam. Just yesterday one of my friend informed me about this. I myself have registered with it, and I want all my subscribers and viewers also get benefited from this challenge. So I will provide the link in the description below. You can go there and fill your email address, first name, last name, phone number, company, etc., country, then submit. So you can read furthermore why should you earn this certification, and there are some frequently asked questions. These are the challenge, how the challenge workflow you can see here. So if you can see here, who can participate in the this challenge? So it is starting from 1st June, so it is already started. Now you can register. The registration is open till 15th of October 2021, and some terms and conditions are there. You can see here voucher terms and conditions. It is already started, and these things I will provide the links. You can read further. So after reading all these things and whatever query you have after solving this, then you can register here. So when you will register, let me show you. You will get a mail something like this. Welcome, you are confirmed for the Get AWS Certified Solution Architect Challenge. Okay, so after this, here you might see one link, that is request your voucher now. So if you fill up this form, let me show you. Actually I have already filled up, so they might not give me again. Okay, so they have provided. So you can again give the email address, same email address, and select the country and whatever you can say here, business interest or personal interest. So finally, after submitting this, you will get something like this. Thank you for requesting your AWS certified discount voucher. So it will be emailed to you within 7 business day of your request. Okay, so this is one thing, and some other things they will provide like training resources. Those are not mandatory. Here you can see in the frequently asked questions. Okay, let me show you. See here, do I have to follow all the training in order to complete the AWS certified this challenge? If you click on it, you can see these are optional. All training review session, they will provide some resource, but they are optional. You can go directly and appear for the exam. So what are the what are the important dates? Let me show you. It will be available in this much language: French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish, as well as English, Japanese, Korean, simplified Chinese, etc. What is the benefit? You can read here, and how you can benefit your organization. And it is saying that 50% discount will be there, so you will be paying around 75 US dollar, not 150 US dollar. Okay, so this is 150 US dollar. You can see here. See here, these are the dates. So the important date has already started, that is for registration 1st of June, that is I think today is 4th of June. So you can register from now onwards till 15th October 2021. So don't wait for the last time, just go now and fill up. There might be something like limitation, they might close this offer, so why should you wait for the last time? And one more thing, take and pass your AWS certified solution architect associate exam before 4th of December. before 4th of December you have to just appear for the exam. So accordingly you start preparing. So how to take the exam? You can go with Pearson VUE and PSI. That is online exam, online web proctored exam. You need a webcam in your laptop. If you don't have, you have to buy from like external webcam. And anything else. So when you fill up the form, you can find this. Thank you for joining this challenge. And then this is the terms and conditions. I will provide all these links in the description below. And finally you will get this. So for the exam you will just get a coupon. Using that coupon, and you have to also pay $75. So you have to book the exam. So you have to appear the exam before 4th of December. Okay, let me write in a notepad. It will be better for you. Important dates. Okay, it's visible. Yes. First is registration date. That is already started. You can just do today onwards till that was written something around October 15th October. Okay. Next important date is you have to book your exam. Book your exam. When we have to book, where was that? Maybe this link. Yes, book or schedule your exam. 1st November. Okay. I can write book or schedule your exam. The final thing, appear the exam. So you have to appear. I think before that was 4th December maybe. You can go and check. Okay, so these are the important dates. You have to just follow up with it. Don't make then wait for the last moment. Just register today and start preparing for the exam. And what is the cost? 75 US dollars. Okay, so that is around maybe 5 to 6,000 in Indian currency. Okay, so this was the great news announced from AWS. I hope everybody will like this video, and this will be helping you guys to achieve the global certification. It has a great market value. Those who are already in cloud computing or maybe IT world, they already know what is AWS. And rest other people, if you are from non-technical background, it is a great career opportunity. I myself preparing for the cloud computing world, so I suggest you can go for this. Okay, so that's all guys for this video. Thank you so much and stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.